What if the key to a smoother digestive system wasn't a fancy new supplement, but something you can find in your grandma's kitchen? That's the fascinating world of the gelatin trick, where a simple daily ritual can make a significant difference in how you feel. Researchers say that incorporating gelatin into your daily routine can help support the health of your gut lining, which in turn can lead to a range of benefits, from reduced bloating to improved energy levels. My friend, who's been experimenting with the gelatin trick for a while now, reports that it's been a game changer for her morning routine. She wakes up feeling more refreshed and lighter, without that heavy, sluggish feeling that can come from a night of poor digestion. The gelatin trick works by helping to strengthen the gut lining, which can lead to a stronger immune system and even clearer skin. By making the gelatin trick a part of your daily routine, you can start to notice these benefits for yourself. To get started with the gelatin trick, check out the link in my description below for a detailed walkthrough, and be sure to take a look at the pinned comment for some helpful tips from our community. Dive into the world of the gelatin trick and start nourishing your body from the inside out.